Now we have the context that we need to start using a screen reader. I'm on a development version of one of our modules that we can practice with. I'll start NVDA and we'll hear a tone indicating that it's running. Now NVDA will start speaking. There are two basic ways to move the screen reader focus around. I can use the up and down arrow keys to navigate line by line through everything on the page, and I can use shortcut keys to navigate between different kinds of elements. As we discussed previously, we can also use the tab key to move the screen reader focus and application focus together through interactive elements on the page. I'll press the down arrow a few times to navigate line by line through the page.
Out of list heading level 124 using a screen reader. Practice complementary landmark practice. List with 2 items bullet navigate a web page using screen reader arrow keys and basic shortcuts, heading, form field.
And I can also use the tab key to skip between interactive elements.
Submit button. I agree checkbox not checked. Installing and configuring NVDA link.
To go backwards, I can use the up arrow to move up by a line, or Shift plus tab to move to the previous interactive element. Remember that the tab key will skip over any static content on a page because it's only moving between focusable or interactive elements. If you actually want to explore the whole page, you're going to want to use the up and down arrow keys, combined with some shortcut keys to make navigation more efficient. One of the most useful shortcuts is to skip by heading. For NVDA, you can press the H key to skip forward through all of the headings on a page.
Mobile heading level 2. Playground heading level 2. Checkboxes heading level 3.
Again, to go backwards, we use Shift plus H to go to the previous heading. There are many shortcuts like this, but a few other examples is F for form field and K for links. I'll move through some form fields by pressing F.
Checkbox 1 checkbox not checked. Checkbox 2 checkbox not checked. Checkbox 3 checkbox not checked. First name, edit.
Another extremely useful key to know is how to silence the screen reader. As you've probably noticed, speech output can be very verbose, and for NVDA, you can just press the Control key to make it stop speaking immediately. I'll do that a few times to demonstrate.
Favorite fruit, edit blank. List, day, combo box.
Again, at any time you can press the Control key to stop the current speech. There are equivalent commands to do this for any of the other screen readers you'll be using as well. And the last concept is specific to NVDA. You can define either the insert key or the caps lock key to be the NVDA key. This is an extra modifier key like Control, Shift, and Alt that allows you to use some NVDA specific commands. For example, pressing NVDA plus N will open the NVDA menu. And here you could navigate to the help menu and read the user guide, or the quick command key reference.
NVDA menu. Prefer tools, help submenu H. User guide U.
These are great tools for learning more about using NVDA, including all of the shortcuts available to you. And finally, to quit NVDA, you can press NVDA plus Q.
Exit NVDA dialog. What would you like to do? Combo box exit collapsed Alt plus D.
You can customize the voice and speaking rate in the NVDA settings. You'll probably want to speed it up significantly once you get used to it.